knee pain that wakes you up at 3 a.m., stairs that feel like a mountain. If that's your life right now, you're probably weighing two options: stem cell therapy or knee replacement surgery. Today we're going to break both down clearly so you know exactly what each one involves and which might be right for you. Here's what's actually happening inside your knee. There's a layer of cartilage between your bones, like a rubber cushion. In osteoarthritis, that cushion wears away. Bone starts grinding on bone. That is the source of your pain. Your body cannot regrow that cartilage on its own. Both treatments are trying to solve this problem, just in very different ways. First, stem cell therapy. This is exactly what we specialize in at Stem Cell Care India. Stem cells are harvested from your own bone marrow or fat tissue, processed and injected directly into your knee. The goal: reduce inflammation and encourage cartilage regeneration. No surgery, no hospital stay. You go home the same day. Second, knee replacement surgery. The damaged cartilage and bone are removed and replaced with a metal and plastic implant. It's been performed for over 50 years, but it means major surgery, 2 to 3 days in hospital, and 6 to 12 months of rehabilitation. Before we get into the comparison, if this is already making things clearer, please hit subscribe and the bell icon right now. At Stem Cell Care India, we publish honest, clear health videos every week. I don't want you to miss the next one. Alright, let's see how these two stack up. Let's compare. Invasiveness. Stem cell is a needle injection, and knee replacement is a major surgery. Recovery. Stem cell, days to weeks. Knee replacement, 6 to 12 months. Cost. Stem cell therapy at Stem Cell Care India starts from affordable. Knee replacement is typically expensive and is more commonly insured. Evidence. Knee replacement has 50 years of data. Stem cell therapy is clinically hope, but research is still growing. Reversibility. Stem cell therapy preserves all future options. Knee replacement is permanent. So who is each one for? Stem cell therapy suits you if your arthritis is early to moderate, you're under 60, and you want to avoid surgery or delay it. Knee replacement suits you if the damage is severe, daily life is significantly affected, and you want a definitive long-term fix. A quick, honest note: stem cell therapy results vary by clinic and patient. Always ask for clinical evidence before proceeding. And knee replacement, while proven, is irreversible. Choose carefully. At Stem Cell Care India, we evaluate every patient individually before recommending any treatment. If you'd like to understand which option suits your specific condition, visit our website or drop your question in the comments. Our specialists respond personally. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.